Very friendly, very welcoming.
One of the great social events of the club.
Old school, really nice, everyone having a good time.
A combination of people that are just here to do the racing and just people that are here to have a lovely time.
The parade lap really is my highlight. 100 or so Bentleys all out on the track.
All models of Bentley from the 1920s all the way through to the current models.
Camaraderie, and it's such a wonderful family meeting, very friendly.
And people are genuinely interested. That's what's nice about it.
It's just so relaxed, but you can see the enthusiasm and the competitiveness with the drivers here.
Basically, it's the best race meeting in the world.
Well, we've now got the third generation driving the car, which is wonderful.
I think it's a combination of some great racing, some great cars, as well as a great atmosphere.
I like comparing all the different cars and seeing which one's the fastest.
There's a big camaraderie between the Bentleys and Morgans.
It's a success because so many people do so much to make it a success, and most of them are just volunteers.
But here it's just such a relaxed meeting, and it's just nice down to get to grassroots, and long may it continue.